These three operations, rename, insert and delete, are super easy to do, but they are very essential worksheet management tools. We have this chart workbook and these sheets on it. If you want to rename a worksheet, simply double click on it and start typing the new name. Let's rename the other charts here. Double click and call it new charts. So we can simply change it the name. If you want to insert new sheets, for example, before format charts sheet here, simply right click on it and insert. So we can insert and click OK. We can also use a shortcut that is Shift plus F11. So this will also create a new worksheet. Look, when I press Shift plus F11, here you have a new sheet. If you want the new sheet to be after, we can simply use the plus sign here in the right. You can also delete sheets if we no longer need it. To do that, simply right click and delete. Excel warns, however, the action is permanent. We cannot undo it if you did a mistake, so we should double check before we click delete.